serenity that I get here. My trip this time, not just a vacation, but to refresh the head again from city noise. For a place to unwind, rest from the busy urban routine. The scenery presented here is very beautiful. This time a little different than usual. I invite friends to tell a little story about serenity, comfort, and peace. What we are experiencing right away is nature. From here we learn about the importance of protecting nature, because this long term for the next generation. Today I was in the Ulu Mason Forest, CEURACEU MEUDHEN.